Kundalini awakening so powerful. First off, it helps you with your health as you are letting go of any stored traumas that you're carrying in your body, not only physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and most importantly, and the most yummiest one, as your kundalini starts getting stronger and erases and you can maintain it, and as you're letting go of whatever baggage you have and your frequency starts going up, your tantric channels start awakening, because this is creative energy. Creative energy is sensual, it's sexual, it creates. We are beings of creation. So automatically your tantric channel starts opening up. So what does that mean? That you start living with pleasure. And when we live in pleasure, we live in abundance. Love you.